Hello and welcome back to the sanctuary. It's been a week of pivots from hospital run with Ava to giving my home a total reset. But today I'm focusing on my hair health and I'm taking you along with me to show you my co-wash routine so that it saves my cherry brown curls from this Florida heat. So I'm taking you into my bathroom now to show you what I'll be using. So here I'm showing you what my third day hair looks like. So here cold water is the secret. It will lock in your color and wake up the scalp while sealing in the hair cuticle for a maximum shine. Now my lean products, which is what I've been using for about a month now, it is said to help detangle your hair. It helps with strengthening and growth. This product in particular has biotin and rosemary, so this formula is going to help target weak and brittle hair, and it's going to reduce breakage and promote longer and stronger strands. I'm next going to be using my lean avocado and tamanu anti-freeze slip and seal leave-in conditioner. So this is what I style my hair with, and I'm just going to be doing that because transitioning into like natural curls now for the summer because it's getting hot. I'm just going to part my hair and style it how I do. Now, I do enjoy this, even though the conditioner does leave your hair feeling a bit hard, but it does its job. The leave-in conditioner really gives you that slip you need, so it does help to soften up the hair a bit. So I just apply it to my hands and then I go over it, and I use this brush to detangle. And then I'll go and take my curly lock brush to do my curls. And this is how I would style my hair. Or just shake it out. Then I just take section by section. I take little sections. And I don't like to put a lot of product because it will weigh my hair down. My hair is very fine and thin, so I put very little. Now that I'm done styling my hair, I like to let it air dry for about 10 minutes before I go in with my blower, with my, what do you call this? Diffuser. And then once it's completely dry and I shake it out, and I will show you all the things I do, I will then add my rosemary hair oil just to lock in all the moisture. So it's ended up being half an hour, and this is what it's looking like half an hour air dry. Now I'm gonna go in with my blower and I'm gonna put it on a medium heat and medium pressure. So, and then once it's like complete, almost fully dry, like completely dry, I will shoot it with some cold air. So this bottom section is cool, medium, and high heat. And then we have the on and off switch, medium, and then high. And have the cool button here. So I'll be doing that. So here is one honest thing that I have noticed when I do use the cool button on my hair once it's fully dry, is that it will give me less frizz, a lot less frizz, and it makes my hair look a lot shiny. Also, when you do the cool button, it's almost like a freeze button for the curl pattern, and it kind of just locks it in shape. And it looks really, really healthy. Another tip I like to do once I'm fully dry with my curls, I want to naturally stretch them out. Just switch your top here, and you want to put this on high heat, and like that, and then stretch out your hair. So you'll be pulling the hair and putting that heat right directly onto the hair. And so that is how I will stretch my hair. Next, I like to go in with my rosemary oil, but not too much because it does weigh your hair down. Okay, and we're just gonna kind of break that cast. So this is the final result. If you are looking for moisture and hair growth and embracing your natural curls this season, my link is in the description. See you in the next one. Ciao.